Hi guys, I am Tripura and welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to show you 15 eye products under 600 rupees. So if you are a beginner and wanting to get some stuff under a budget, this video will definitely be helpful for you. Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram because I create different looks there. So you will not be definitely bored. So without further ado, let's get into the video. To start off with, we have an eyebrow pencil. Trust me guys, if you are a beginner, please invest in a good eyebrow pencil because doing your brows can change your look and structure your face. So the first product I am going to show you is this MASCARA eyebrow pencil. This pencil, I think it cost 150 rupees, but I bought this for 100 rupees in offer. So you can definitely go and grab this if there is an offer going on. Even the pigmentation is very good. And this is in the shade medium brown. So if you are looking for an eyebrow pencil under a budget, go for this. The next product I have is a kohl or a eye pencil, and this is from K Beauty. I think I bought this for around 250 rupees, but the MRP is also less than 300 rupees. But the pigmentation is just insane. It just glides like butter, like so pigmented. It's so smooth. And even if you have watery eyes, it is going to stay because I have very sensitive and watery eyes, so it didn't irritate my eyes, it didn't move, like so good. The next product I have is also an eye pencil. This is from the brand PLUM. As you can see, I almost used up the product. Like, this is the only kohl I used to use before I bought the K Beauty one. This is not even my first pencil, I guess this is my second one. So definitely worth the price. If you are searching for a kohl, definitely go for any of this. They are budget friendly, they are Indian brands, and they are worth your money. And the next product is from NYKAA Cosmetics. It is their Glamorous Eye Color Eye Pencil. This again is so pigmented and just glides like butter. It is not going to hurt your eyes or do anything. And also it is even smudge proof. Like, you can see, it's smudge proof. It's pretty good. I guess they have 11 shades in this range, so you can pick any of the shade which you like. Moving on, we again have an eyeliner. This is from LAKME. I actually don't know why I didn't get this product all this time. Like, maybe I thought the price was very less, it doesn't work, I don't know, I was being so stupid. But this is again a very beautiful eyeliner. This doesn't dry up instantly. This is going to take some time to dry on your eyelids, but it is just for 120 rupees, so you can definitely go and invest. I think they have a very beautiful electric blue shade in this. I am going to get that one too, but for now I have the gold shade and it's definitely good. Moving on, we again have an eyeliner. This is from the brand MASCARA. I have this in the shade silver. So if you are someone who want to experiment different color eyeliners, they have a very wide range of eyeliners, so you can get one. I think this is just for 250 rupees, so it's very budget friendly and you can try different colors. Moving on, we have a black eyeliner. This is from the brand Maybelline. This is their gel eyeliner. But let me tell you guys, this is not going to stay on your eyelids for 8-9 hours. No, it is not going to stay. This is definitely going to smudge if you have oily eyelids. So if you have oily eyelids, this is going to smudge after few hours. So keep this in mind before you get this product, or else this is a very beautiful product. I love it, I use it. I have oily eyelids, but I still prefer using this if I have to go to a function or if I just want to have it for like 5-6 hours. I will definitely give this a go. Moving on, we have eyeshadow palettes. To start with, I have the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade VI Purple, I guess. Let me open up and show you guys how beautiful this is. I mean, this palette has all the colors we need on a daily wear or for a party. Like, it has gold, it has pink, purples, it has some browns. So definitely you can go and give this a try. Even the pigmentation is so good. Like, I have already done a tutorial using this palette, so you can definitely go and check that out. I even have another palette from the same brand, so imagine how much I love this. If you can see, I used this palette quite a lot. Actually, I am wearing this shade from the palette on my eyelids today. So yeah, definitely a good palette. But the only complaint with this particular palette is this color. When you apply it on eyelids, it is not true to its color, like it's not the same how it is in the palette. So that is the only problem with this particular palette. Remaining all, like, they are so beautiful. This palette, like, I definitely love this. I have no complaint with any of the color, so you can go and pick any of the palettes you like. Up next we have another eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand NYKAA Cosmetics. I don't know why I didn't got this palette for the longest of time, but again, this is a very beautiful palette. I love this, guys. I definitely don't have any complaint regarding this palette. Again, the shade is Beachside Peach. So yeah, you can definitely go and get this if you are searching for an eyeshadow palette. Hands down, one of the best eyeshadow palettes in a budget. After that, we have a mascara. This is from the brand Maybelline. This is their Lash Sensation Mascara. I actually love how the wand is. It is so beautiful. Like, you can do your upper lashes this side and lower lashes using this side. This is going to give volume. This is going to give length. This is so beautiful if you are searching for a mascara under a budget. It is smudge proof, it is waterproof. So yeah, you have all the reasons to get this. Definitely a beautiful one. Up next we have lashes. This is from the brand PAC. We all know PAC make bomb eyelashes. Like, PAC makes so many things that are beautiful. I even love their foundation very much. So yeah, this is from the brand PAC, and this is in the number 53. If you are searching for lashes that are natural, I would suggest you go for 53, number 53. These lashes are gonna look like your lashes but better. So yeah, these are definitely going to look very pretty on you. Next one are also eyelashes, again from the brand PAC, but these are in the number 72. So if you are looking for lashes that are more party wear, like you want to stand out, then these lashes are going to be your best friend. Like, these are beautiful if you are attending a wedding or something like that. So for occasional purposes, I use these lashes and they are so pretty. The next one we have is an eyelash glue, and again from the brand PAC. This is their Lash Fixer Eyelash Glue. Ever since I bought this, I am just using this because I like it very much. The last one we have for this video is a eyelash curler. Again, eyelash curler is not a necessity. You definitely don't have to curl your lashes every time you put a mascara, but it is definitely going to make your lashes look more beautiful. So again, I bought this from MINISO. I've been using this from almost a year and a half, but I don't have a single complaint about this. This does its job. Like, it curls the lashes, it's good, it's beautiful. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Let me know how did you like the video. See you all in another video.